At Barry Walters Senior Company, we're here to make you the parts hero. We're super excited about the complete ONA system now in a case. This is our part number 999150-Pro. It is built for the professional plumber. That service guy that needs to be able to get out the cartridges, this is it. Inside here, you're gonna find all the original and add-on ONA system tools. You're going to have the threaded rod and the tube for the 1200. That threaded rod screws into the 1200, 1225 cartridge. The tube goes over the top of it, presses up against the valve body. Take that crank that down against the tube, and the tube presses up against the valve body. What makes this such a great system is its physics. You're not yanking, you're just cranking on the crank and letting physics do the work to pull it out. So even if that valve body is not attached real well, this is going to solve that problem. Along with that 1200, 1225 is the tapered bolt, the T-handle. You're going to take the crank, slide it in that slotted tube there. It's slotted, diamond knurled, stress-proof steel. So you crank that down. When it's inside that sleeve that gets left in, it's gonna expand, do a little quarter turn, slide it out. And because it's stress-proof steel, it springs right back. Along with the original ONA puller is the add-on for the Posi-Temp. Same threaded rod. This is, as you remember, indexes into the valve body. That 1222 Posi-Temp cartridge is gonna slide up right inside here. Take the threaded rod, take the crank, and again, physics. Press it up against the valve body. You don't have to worry about damaging anything inside the wall. We came out with a 999070, which is for the broken Posi-Temp. We had plumbers say, hey, if the stem breaks off that cartridge, then we have no way to get that out. And I said, well, if you use the ONA puller, you won't have that problem. Well, guess what? They inherited the problem. They show up and the stem is already broken off. You've got this face bushing with 2 pilot holes. The drill's gonna drill through those 2 pilot holes so you don't hit the valve body. You index it, other side, turn it 90 degrees, drive in the 2 screws, use the short threaded rod that comes with the 999070, the same Posi-Temp tube to press up against the valve body, and the same ONA system crank to pull it out. Physics, turn it, let it pull it out. Just in the last year or two, we've come up with the 999150-7. This is for the 13-1400 series. It's got threads here, screws onto the valve body. You use the same threaded rod, the long threaded rod from the ONA system, the same crank, and again, physics. Crank it, let it push up against the valve body, pull the cartridge out. We had plumbers that said it still sometimes will not remove the balancing spool that's stuck in there so tight that that balancing spool will be left behind. Just now we've released the Dash 8. The Dash 8 is the part that's going to remove the Delta balancing spool. It's the claw. It's got a piece with 2 ribs, piece with just 1 rib. That 1 rib has hole through it. 2 ribs, it's got threaded on both sides. They go together, attach onto that balancing spool. The short threaded rod that comes in the Broken Posi-Temp Tool is going to screw into that. It's going to go through both sides. Then you're going to use the Dash 7 tube, the crank, and that's going to remove the pressure balancing part of that Delta cartridge. We're super excited to bring this whole entire kit to you. The case and all. This is going to be the ultimate ONA system for the professional. Look for it in your local plumbing supply house. If they don't carry it, reach out to us. We will find you one of our suppliers that carries our tools. We'll get in touch with them. We'll get in touch with you. Make sure that you're hooked up. We're here to make you the parts hero. Until the next time.